I look like a babara. Mama, I look like a babara today. Go. Go, Buddha. Go, Buddha. Go, Buddha. There's Harima over there as well. Where's your belt, Harimo? Put your belt on. Harimo, put your belt on.
I can't.
Put it on. Okay, Mama's doing dua. I think she's doing dua. Let me tell you why. Oh, by the way, I look like a babara. I haven't brushed my hair, which hence why I look like a babara. Basically, Mama, she came home from Bradford and Sumayya's house, and Gigi wasn't home. So we've been trying to look around to find Gigi because she must be here somewhere. I think she's just forgotten her way home. So we're trying to find out where she is, and please do 2 rak'ah nafil that we find our Gigi.
Inshallah.
Because she needs to be reunited with her 4 babies that need to suck her boobies. You know, right? Hi, Mom.
Hi. So
how are you doing?
Yeah, all of you say that make a vlog. All of you keep asking me to make a vlog with Maliha as well as Nafia. So I tried my best. Yeah, loads.
Really?
But you know the thing is, this girl, she never got time for vlog. She clean my house, she do things for me, but when it's come to vlogging, she say, oh mama.
Do you know why, Ma?
On your face,
I look like a dog's behind most of the time, and
she's always in her pajama and she don't want to
you know, when
share her look.
Let me tell you, do you know when you come to your mother's house, I don't know about anybody else, at home I try to look, you know, kind of cute because my husband's right there. Even me looking like, I'm trying not to swear, which I love doing, sorry Mom, but because Harim's here, but even when I look like, I make sure I still look okay, because you know what I mean, you know, it can happen anytime. But so what I do in Mama's house, I look like I'm homeless. My hair is all over the place, I have stains all over my clothes.
Exactly like that, isn't it?
Basically, so, yeah. I think I look horrendous, but I wore a, you know, cute top right now, but you know, Mama hates people with holes in their clothes, and I'd be fine going with holes in my clothes just in Mama's house. So yeah, I do feel like when I'm at Mama's house, I want to let my hair down and just chill, which is one of the reasons I don't bring my husband with me to Mama's house, so I could chill. I don't know about you, Mama, but if you were, you know, if you were my age, right, and you had to go to your mother's house, how...
In your age, I used to look Trump, because in your age, I got 5 kids and all your father business responsibility on me.
Yeah, but...
And I don't even look good for him because I haven't got any time. And now I try to look good.
Now you look amazing.
Yeah.
But you still look beautiful then. But anyway, what I was trying to say is that would you, if you had a choice, if you went down your mother's house, would you bring your husband, or would you just want to chill at your mother's house without your husband?
No, but okay, if you're in front of me like that, Trump, you can be Trump in my video as well.
But when I'm going back to the bringing your husband or your wife or whatever it is to your mother's house or your parents' house, right?
She always looks so perfect for him, and we make fun of her. Like Nafia is looking Trump in front of her husband. Even, you know, Sumayya is the same. But she, when it's come to her husband, she spent 2 hours on her to go. Like, she can spend weekend in my house, and then when she's going, she literally curling her hair. And I say, are you going on your honeymoon?
But in my defense, I feel like if you love someone and you just want to attract that one human being, I do get it. It's ridiculous if you lived with someone to make sure you look 100% all the time. I know I would never look 0%, which is what I look in Mama's house.
It's kind of true. Like, you know, now when I was in Pakistan, Maliha,
when you were with your Janan, your boyfriend.
Yeah, you know, I try as well to look good.
Yeah.
Like, I usually wear this night dress and loungewear, and
your
just
hair
walk
is
around,
like
and
my
hair is like spiky and everywhere. And now I quickly wear scarf.
They see what I mean, and she, you know what she does? She does this thing. Hi, Hannah.
No, you liar.
Hannah, what are you doing?
She's lying.
Yeah, like, she's like, Hannah, what are you wearing?
Allah, you know. I'm never gonna talk like that.
But what I was trying to say is, I feel like I don't think that you should always, whenever you go to your mother's house, you don't necessarily need to bring your significant other to your parents' house, because it's just your time, especially when you're married, just because it's your time to chill and be with your family again and be like how it was when you weren't a couple. I know it's not.
The minute she entered my house, she looked such a trendy girl. Like, you know, she wearing her, like yesterday when I shouted to her, I said, what are you wearing? Because her top was, tell the story.
Basically, I don't think it was very immodest, but mama has a thing, okay?
I don't like short top.
If you have a top where she said, I want to say it. I'm going to say it.
Go on, say it.
She said, which is a down below woman's private, hates it. So whenever she's like, I usually wear oversized clothing and I don't wear tight anything. But sometimes, you know, I'd like to wear something a bit cute.
When she come from her husband.
Yeah. Then I was wearing like this white top and this
but even though Rizwan don't like short top, well anyway.
Yeah, he says, okay, yeah, fine. Why are you trying to?
Yeah, he don't like it.
But in my defense, I put like a belt bag there.
No, still, people can see that what you hiding behind that.
So Mama has this thing. She doesn't like the shit showing. Okay, which it wasn't, but she's really particular over it. So maybe, but can I just say, maybe if I was stick thin, it wouldn't look as promiscuous as you probably wouldn't say anything.
No, if it's like a little longer top to hide your bum and just hide your.
My bum, Mama was wearing a kimono, so my bum was hidden.
No, but the back was hidden, but front was like I feel like it. And then I don't want to show to her because Sunny's wife was there. But
otherwise she would have killed me.
Otherwise I can kill her.
And then I was like,
what are you wearing?
I was like, and then she was just like, the thing is, I joke everything off anyway. Nothing's really serious in life, is it? Mama,
because I'm looking for Gigi anyway.
Yeah. So basically, Mama, I don't think you're getting the subject of what I'm trying to say as well. It isn't about me dressing up. I'm saying, do you prefer your children to come with you to your house when they are without their partners, or would you prefer them to come with them?
No, to be honest with you, in my eyes, my children partner are my children too. But some of the in-laws, like some of the daughter-in-law and son-in-law, they never give you that space. They always say, no, you're our mother-in-law, you're not our mother. But wallahi, I swear on Allah name, and Maliha, you know me very well. You know, when mother lie in front of her children, that's the worst thing. In my eyes, that's the worst thing, when your children know that my mother is lying. So in my eyes, all my children's spouse or partners, they are my children. And I love them to come together with my children. But now I find out, I work hard on this topic, that I make them my children. But some of them, they're very nice to me. I'm not gonna name them, but they're very nice to me. They're not horrible to me, but they say, no, you're our mother-in-law, you're not our mother.
Right.
And they treat me different. They there is couple of things which don't make me angry, but which make me sad. And I say, if they think that I'm the mother-in-law and they don't give me the space of mother, so I say, forget about them. Why I keep trying them to make them my children? So yes, if you ask me that question, that if I like them, like you're supposed to come with you, yeah, Maliha.
Oh, you do.
I love my children's spouse or partners. I love them to come with you guys equally. I love them and I feed them, and you know, like, doesn't matter. I'm saying publicly that if my daughter-in-law comes or if my son-in-law come, I equally treat them like my children. I never let them lift their finger in my house. I do everything. By the time they left home, my house is upside down. My daughter do help me to, you know, do the cleaning and thing, but none of my children's spouse or whatever, none of them help me to clean the house, or they just left the mess and leave, and I never complain. And I always welcome them with a big massive heart. So yeah, if the question is that do I love my children bring their spouse, 100%.
Okay.
100% I want them to come as my children. But recently I'm heartbroken, and I say if they don't think I'm their mother, why should I keep trying? So I'm gonna treat them like a son-in-law and daughter-in-law now. So yeah, one thing, Sumayya husband, mashallah, he just want me to treat him as a son.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that.
I mean,
so Saad is like my son.
Yeah.
So you have a look here.
Okay.
Exactly.
I mean, with me, I feel like when I go to my mother's house, I just want to just chill and just. I'm at home with my husband all the time, so I just like to come to my mother's house and just chill with my mother and my siblings.
So, you know what?
So it's a little bit different.
I don't know. Leave the comments what you people think, but for me,
I just feel like you're not joined at your husband or wife's hip, so you don't need to. Like, it's nice for them to come to your family's house, 100%. But I feel like it is nice. Yeah, don't get me wrong.
If you,
but it's nice to just chill with your mother and your siblings.
Okay, don't go and stay with the mother-in-law for ages and thing. If somebody don't want to do that, don't. But yeah, coming with their husband and their wife together,
yeah,
I think
it's good. It is a good thing. It is a good thing. Okay, let's find Gigi.
Okay. So Maliha chali gayi hai. Maliha knocked people door and asked them, "Did you see any black cat?" So someone, you know, I posted on couple of social media. I said, "Did you see cat?" So someone reported from this area that we saw a black cat like that here. So we are here to look for Gigi. So let's see if हमने अगर जीजी को नहीं ढूंढा तो मेरे बच्चे बहुत अपसेट होंगे. तो हम जीजी को ढूंढ रही हैं. मेरा फेस बहुत ज़्यादा पील हो रहा है, येलो है और बहुत ही डिस्कस्टिंग हो रहा है. मेरा दिल चाह रहा है मैं ऐसी वीडियो बनाऊं, लेकिन चले आप मम्मा का ये ऐसा फेस भी देख लें. सो ये एक हम अभी इंग्लिश में यही बातें कर रहे थे. आप लोगों को भी बता दूं जो इंग्लिश नहीं समझते कि इंग्लिश में हम ये बातें कर रहे थे कि मलिहा कह रही थी मैं मम्मा के व्लॉग में इसलिए नहीं आती हूँ क्योंकि मेरी हालात बहुत ख़राब होते हैं. मैं जब मम्मा के घर में आती हूँ तो मेरे बाल खुले होते हैं, मैं बहुत बुरी हालत में होती हूँ, और फिर मैं इसलिए मम्मा के व्लॉग में नहीं आती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे बाल खुले होते हैं, मैं पटे पुराने कपड़ों में होती हूँ. और कहती है मैं इसीलिए अपने हस्बैंड को लेके नहीं आती हूँ मम्मा के घर क्योंकि मुझे अपने हस्बैंड के सामने लश पश रहना होता है और मम्मा के घर में फ्री स्टाइल में 3 दिन रहती हूँ. तो ये जुमे को आ जाती है, जुमा हफ्ता इतवार, ये फिर बुरी हालत में मेरे घर होती. तो कहती ये वजह है कि मैं बनना ठन्ना नहीं चाहती हूँ. आज भी बहुत बुरी हालत में. मैंने कहा नहीं जैसी भी हो बस आ जाओ मेरे व्लॉग में, क्योंकि मेरे यूट्यूब फैमिली कहते हैं कि व्लॉग में आए. तो फिर साथ में ये बता रही थी कि पूछ रही थी कि आप लोग बताओ कि आप लोग अपने हस्बैंड्स को या वाइफ को लेके जाना चाहते हो अपने माँ के घर. और मुझसे सवाल कर रही थी कि तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है कि तुम्हारे बच्चों की स्पाउस पार्टनर तुम्हारे पास आए. तो मैंने कहा बिल्कुल अच्छा लगता है. मैं क्योंकि मेरे आइज़ में मेरे बच्चों की जो पार्टनर और स्पाउस हैं वो मेरे बच्चे हैं. पर मैंने बहुत ट्राई की है, पर कुछ स्पाउस ऐसे हैं मेरे बच्चों के जो कहते हैं कि नहीं हम तुम्हें मदर इन लॉ ही समझते हैं, हम मदर नहीं समझते हैं. तो जब वो मुझे मदर की जगह नहीं देते हैं तो मैंने कहा बस मैं भी वो डोर क्लोज कर दूं. मैं भी डॉटर इन लॉ और सर इन लॉ ही कहूँगी क्योंकि अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मुझ में बहुत प्यार है, बहुत प्यार है. मुझे तो कोई इतना सा प्यार दिखाए तो मैं इतना सा प्यार दिखाती हूँ. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा हो रहा है कि अगर ये मुझे मदर इन लॉ ट्रीट करते हैं सो जस्ट बी अ मदर इन लॉ. मैं अपनी तरफ से बस करूँगी, ख्याल करूँगी और सारा जो मुझसे होगा वो करूँगी. लेकिन बाकी अगर ये मुझे मदर इन लॉ की तरह ट्रीट करते हैं तो बस ये भी मेरी डॉटर इन लॉज हैं और सन इन लॉ है. खैर सुमैया के हस्बैंड के बारे में मैंने बताया कि सुमैया का हस्बैंड वो कहते हैं मैं तेरा बेटा हूँ और बेटा ही रहूँगा. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रिजवान रिजर्व सा है. रिजवान इतना ज़्यादा हम में घुलता मिलता नहीं है, लेकिन ही लव मी, ही अडोर मी. इकबाल जो है वो बेचारा 24/7 तो वो जॉब करता है, तो उसको तो लव करने का टाइम नहीं मिलता. बाकी रही मेरे बेटों की बीवियाँ, तो वो समी वाली तो खैर हार्डली आती है, क्योंकि वो कहती है कि मेरे 3 सालों में 3 बच्चे हैं और मैं बिज़ी बहुत होती हूँ, तो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट। और सिद्दीक वाली वो वंस अ वीक आती है, बस आती है और बैठ जाती है, गपशप लगा लेती है और चली जाती है। तो बस मेरे लिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा है, काफ़ी है। अगर इतना भी ना करे तो मैं मजबूर तो नहीं कर सकती। तो ये बातें कर रहे थे। वैसे मुझे नहीं पता कि इस व्लॉग का मैं क्या नाम रखूँगी। पहले तो मैंने कहा कि मैं नाम रखूँगी कि लो देखो भैंस नाच रही है और अब मैं इस व्लॉग का सोच रही हूँ कि नाम रखूँ कि आप लोग भी पसंद करते हो कि आप अपने मियाँ या बीवी को अपने माँ बाप के घर लेके जाओ, तो कुछ ऐसा किस्म का नाम रखूँगी। एनीवे, इस व्लॉग को यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं, क्योंकि मलीहा वो दूर गई है, जीजी को ढूंढ रही है और बस रोने से बदतर है कि जीजी मिल जाए। ये हमारा 5वां एरिया है सुबह से कि हम जीजी को ढूंढ रहे हैं। तो अल्लाह करे जीजी मिल जाए, क्योंकि जीजी की छोटे छोटे 4 बच्चे हैं और वो जाहिर बात है उनको माँ की ज़रूरत है। हर इतने छोटे नहीं हैं, 8 वीक्स ओल्ड हैं, लेकिन मेरे बच्चे कह रहे हैं कि इनको माँ की ज़रूरत है। तो पता नहीं जीजी, मैंने कल कहा पता नहीं जीजी के सीआर के पीछे चली गई। अब आप लोग कहोगे कि मैंने उसको न्यूटेड क्यों नहीं किया। तो जब से कोविड शुरू हुआ है मैंने कोई 15 दफ़ा फ़ोन किया है ये पैट्स वाली शॉप को और ऐसे कि इसको न्यूटेड कर दो, लेकिन मुझे अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिल रही है। फिर बीच में मैं पाकिस्तान चली गई, बीच में क्या होता है और इसी दौरान में ये दूसरी दफ़ा ये प्रेग्नेंट हो जाती है। तो पहली दफ़ा भी प्रेग्नेंट हो गई, मैंने इसके बच्चे जो हैं वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को दे दिए, मैंने कोई बेचे वेचे नहीं है, और सिद्दीक को दे दिया। अब ये दोबारा 4 बच्चों की अम्मा हो गई है। अब मैं 4 बच्चों के साथ क्या करूँगी। खैर 2 तो मलीहा लेके जा रही है और 2 के साथ पता नहीं क्या करेगी मलीहा, आई डोंट नो। लेकिन जीजी गुमी हुई है और जीजी के पीछे सब खफा हैं। तो देखते हैं जीजी मिलती है कि नहीं। सी यू इन नेक्स्ट व्लॉग, तब तक के लिए इजाज़त, अल्लाह हाफिज़।